Hey everyone, welcome back to the InfoStreet channel. Today we will dive into how to manage API products permissions using SAP API management on SAP BTP. So if you are an API provider looking to control access, understanding how permissions work is the key. And in this video we will cover how to set up rules and assign them to the API products. So as you can see on my screen, this is one of the products that is available in SAP API management, and here you will assign the custom rules that you will create in this video. So let's start by understanding the core element API products. So API products are a collection of APIs bundled together to control their consumption, and you need custom roles and permissions to manage access, ensuring only the right users interact with your APIs. Okay, now let's log in into our SAP BTP account. Go to trial account. Now click on your sub account. Okay, now you need to navigate to the role collections. Let's start by creating a new role collection to manage access for our API products. So click on create. Enter any valid name. You can add description if you want. Now click on create. So as you can see, our new role collection has been created. Now the next step is to create custom roles. For this you need to navigate to the roles tab. On the right hand side, search for API. So here we will create custom rules that determine what users can do with an API products. And for this, the application developer template is perfect for building roles specific to developers accessing the APIs. So we will choose the application developer. And for creating the custom role, just click on create role. Enter any valid name for the role. So here you need to assign the values. So this value will be displayed in the permissions tab when you will assign the custom role to the products. Now hit enter. Click on next. Now choose the role collection. So we have created the API product developer role. So we will select this one. Now click on next. You can review and then click on finish. So what we have done here, we have assigned a role to our role collection, and this will ensure that only users who belong to this role collection can access and manage API products. Okay, now after assigning roles to the role collection, we need to assign this collection to the users. So for this you need to navigate to the users tab. Now choose your user, expand. Now click on assign role collection and search for the role collection here. Now click on assign role collection. So assigning roles to users ensure they can access the APIs you have specified under the API product permissions. And now we will navigate to the instances and subscriptions. Open the integration suite. Now go to engage. Choose any product. Let me just choose Pet Store API. Click on edit. Go to permissions tab. So as you can see, our role is visible here. Okay, so one thing I like to mention it here that the role value, it should not contain any alphanumeric characters, but I have used the alphanumeric characters. So let me change the value and then we will apply this role to our product. So let me click on cancel. So let me change the value to API_dev_role. Now click on save. Okay, now let me refresh this page. So as you can see in the question mark here, only users assigned to this role can discover the product in API Business Hub Enterprise. And for the subscription, it says only users assigned to this role can subscribe to the product in the API Business Hub Enterprise. Now click on Publish. Now if you want to navigate, you can navigate to the API Business Hub Enterprise. And that's it. You have successfully set up API product permissions in SAP API Management. This will help you control access and manage your APIs efficiently. And that was all for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more SAP API related content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.